Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the new episode on how I fixed the hood. In today's video, I'm going to explain how I fixed the hood, all the steps, all the details I did, and I hope you're going to like the video. So I decided to fix the hood, first of all, because you guys spammed the shit out of me with bro, fix the hood, it's time to fix the hood. I got so many comments, so many DMs, so many replies, everything with you guys just telling me, bro, just do that. I had a guy that told me that he wants to do it for free. First of all, I was like, sure, what the deal, but I thought it's a better idea to just do it myself and have a video, I guess. So I finally decided to fix the hood. Of course, I'm going to fix all the car. The next step is going to be to fix the side skirts. I hope I'm going to be able to do it next week to have a new video. I'm trying to be more consistent on YouTube. So yes, here is how I did it. So first of all, I prepared all the tools I would use. I used like how can I even explain this? It's like a small thing. It looks like a mouse, like for PC, but it's to send stuff. So I took that thing. I took some solutions to clean the hood out of like every impurities, and I started first of all with the biggest spots of rust. I had 3 main spots. I had one on the left side of the hood, one that was here, the very known spot, and it was the third one. It was very deep point of rust. It had a lot of rust there, and yeah, it looked like it was a lake of rust inside it. That's how deep it was. After I finished with those 3 points, I went to the other sides. I checked where do I have dents in the hood, because those ones also had to be fixed. So it was a very interesting thing to see actually the whole hood, the whole bonnet. Yes, I'm going to use both terms. Without a point of rust anymore. It was like, I'm finally doing this. It's finally like happening. Because I had this for like 2-3 years, I think, these spots, and it was like such a bad thing that I did nothing related to it in my point of view. But I also didn't had these ideas with the car. At one point I thought I'm just going to replace it and I'm going to get another one, and it is what it is, but I got pretty much in love with this. After we fixed all of the spots from rust, we took a body filler. We put in all the places that really required this. As I said, it had like a few spots where it was pretty deep in the hood, like dents and other stuff, and the rust, of course. And for that we had to wait like for half of an hour, and after that we started sanding the material again for it to be pretty smooth. And we really spent quite some time because we had to be very precise that it doesn't have like spots, like imperfections or stuff. And after we did all of this, we used the spray can. Yeah, it wasn't very long process. Like, I think it took way less than putting the side wings and the new bumper on than it was to actually fix the whole hood. And also I had like a spot here of rust, and I was like, how did that happen? But I guess it is what it is. I think if we would really move like faster and not on a chill rhythm, I think in like 4 hours you can actually do this job. I'm very happy with the result. It's very smooth and it's very hot right now. I'm silly. I also still have to fix 2 points. I'm going to show you 2 points that are very dent, like they're very bent. I don't know, it looks like someone kicked it with the they kicked the of the hood, and I really don't understand how they could do that. So I don't know if it's very visible, but somewhere here, like above the headlight, there are like 2 points, and I have to fix other 2 points that are from icy rain, like boom boom on the hood. Actually, I think on most of the car I might have like on the headliner maybe. I'm going to check. Of course, I'm going to wrap the car, so I'm going to fix all the imperfections, all the rust I can fix. This car is going to be like brand new after I'm going to finish it. It's going to look perfect. It's going to be so good. It was so chill to work on the hood. I don't know, like I didn't felt stressed. I didn't felt anything. I was just like, finally fixing it. So this is the update with the hood. Most probably, again, as I hope, next week I'm going to fix the side skirts. The side skirts are the biggest point of rust of the car. Like, after I finish this, it's like almost brand new again. Like, I still have to fix the rear bumper also, but the skirts are like what it really needs to be done to the car. So see you then.